Right. Out here on Lake Berryessa. A little nippy this morning. Clear skies, man. It's got the rain. It looks like chocolate milk out here. Looks like we had a couple foot more water. So, what's the water temp? Ooh, it's a nippy 56. So we're just going to take it slow. So it's like the last time I'll be able to get on Berryessa this year. Christmas, it rained. Saturday wasn't bad. Rained in the morning a little bit. So I figure Sunday, it's time to get out on Berryessa. Alright, let's get out here and get this thing figured out. Get up here. Get over here, buddy. Little itty bitty. Little itty bitty. Now this summer, you go eat. You go eat and get big, baby. Bad little bite. Right there. A fish right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice little fish. Little fish Rooney. Oops, stuck in my net. Here we go. That's a nice little fish.
Sunrise creeping over the
Another one already?
hills. Skies on fire, time standing still. Rod and reel, my old best friend. A cast, a prayer, the day begins. Fishing on Berryessa, water so wide, dreams on the surface, secrets to hide. Hook in the water, heart in the fight. Fishing on Berryessa feels so right. Ripple glasses calm but alive.
Looks like we found us a little nice little hole here.
Cool breeze whispers.
We can keep getting a little bit better.
Untold lines in the water, chasing gold. Oh, the stillness, oh, the thrill. Time's a liar, won't stand still. Fishing on Berryessa, water so wide, dreams on the surface, secrets to hide. Hook in the water, heart in the fight. Fishing on Berryessa feels so right.
A little bit better. Oops. This is a 5-fish limit. Tell you, the last one a lot better than Cinco's. Take it, babies. easy, Toto. Knocked over my bag, man. Not bad. Not bad at all. Say one thing, that damn water is cold. This got me some sun right here. A little warmer. But they're over in that shade. I just gotta throw a top water. This is 50 degrees, dead of winter. I gotta throw it. Alright, got it out of my system. Let's go back to catch some fish. Alright, we're gonna cut back across, start heading back. There's a couple of holes over here I think I'm gonna hit on the way back. But what a gorgeous day out, man. How you been? I'm not gonna say anything about the WIND. Not a word. Because it's about that time. Alright, let's get on the side. See if we can go get some fish on. You guys doing any good? What? You guys doing any good? Not really. Just 2 small ones so far. You? Not bad. They're bunched up. You just gotta find when you hit them, you know? Yeah, pretty much. I'm using a hula with a free weight on it. And yeah, I got live scope, and I'm just bopping them on the head. Real slow. I'm damn near drop shotting, but I won't admit it. Yeah, I caught about 7 so far. All right, you guys be good. Happy New Year's to you. Ugh. Yeah, baby. Not bad, eh? All right. What a good day. Found some fish, caught some fish. I did not expect to catch any fish at all, to tell you the truth. I figured maybe one, maybe two. I just want to get out, get on the water. Man, we had all that rain and started getting the shakes, man. But what a great way to take out 2025. I don't know if we'll be able to get another day in before the end of the year, but is it spring yet? All right, let's get back to the ramp and get this thing loaded. Get back to the garage.